To automatically enable dark mode when sleep mode is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Scroll down the screen. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap dark mode. And then make sure to set it to on. Tap done button. With the setting, now your phone will automatically turn on dark mode when sleep mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.